How to turn off HDR on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you if there is a way to turn off HDR on Instagram. First, as I want to inform you that there is no any such manual options like you can turn off the HDR on Instagram, as you have to just try to change the settings from your camera settings. For the iPhone, open Settings app. From the settings section, tap on camera. After you open camera setting, if you find any options like Auto HDR or Smart, simply tap and turn off that. Now when you post from the camera roll, Instagram won't apply HDR effect manually. And on the second one, you can disable the HDR from in camera if you are using an Instagram camera. Open the Instagram app. From this interface, swipe left to open camera. After you open camera, if you see an HDR icon or filtering setting, tap it and select it for standard or disable the enhancement. Some phones like Samsung or Pixel allow the HDR toggles inside the Instagram camera view. If it is available, turn it off. Bonus tip, you can edit before you upload the picture on Instagram. You can use a third-party camera app or any editing software. Simply edit your photo manually before uploading, like keep original colors and contrast. After you edit manually, simply you can export them and try to upload them on Instagram. After you follow this procedure, you'll be able to turn off HDR on Instagram. If this helped you, don't forget to like, follow and share for more Instagram tips like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.